Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how you can upload your project on GitHub using VS Code. So here you can see that I have code in VS Code. So I will create a new repository in my GitHub profile, and here you can give a name of your repository whatever you want. So I will give a name big boss admin. So I will create this repository. Okay, so the repository has been created. So I will go to my terminal in VS Code, and then I will write some commands. So the first one is git init and git add, and then you have to copy git commit command and paste it there, and then git branch. It will create a main branch in your repository, and then add a URL of main branch. So here you the URL, and then you have to push this code. So this command will push your code in your repository. So it will take time according to the files of your project. So I have very few files, so it doesn't take very much time. So I will refresh it. Okay, so here you can see that my code has been pushed, and so by using this way you can upload your project on GitHub.